On one side, perfection. Another side, perfection. Third side, Purrfection.
How to negotiate with your cats. Step 1, give them what they want. Step 2, end negotiation.
Having one lazy day per week can help reduce stress, anxiety, and improve mental health in general. Imagine having 7.
You know, this whole killing them with kindness thing, it's taking way longer than expected.
I'm going to lose my freaking dead mind if you don't give me a snack.
What are you gonna do?
If you don't give me a snack up, but I'm going to lose my freaking dead mind.
And what do we say to the universe when we're having a bad day? How dare you seek to inconvenience me? I have been through things that you could not fathom.
Just because I'm smiling doesn't mean I like you. I could be picturing you on fire. You just never know.
Hug me, say that you'll hug me. Bestie, bestie, please be my bestie.